Peruvian pollo a la brasa. Smoking pellets, lump charcoal, whiskey chips, and hickory wood chips. We're smoking today. And we're putting the full beer can into our chicken, into our smoker, and that's gonna keep her nice and moist. And ooh la la, are we going to enjoy our smoked chicken. And the leg and the tail is gonna act as our stand for our 3 legs of holding up our chicken with our beer can inside. Make sure you're using a flavor you love. And that's going to keep our chickens very moist inside of our smoker with our chips and our charcoal. So let me ask you, how do you smoke your chickens? Whole chickens with a beer can inside. And we are going to have some good eats today. Today we're at the smoke vault and we are smoking chickens. How do you smoke your chickens?
Into the thigh.
And the thighs take longer to cook, so we're putting our thermometers into the thighs so we can measure the temperature on the birds as they smoke in the smoke vault. We're going to go ahead and put a second thermometer into the breast meat, realizing the breast meat cooks first. So we want to still monitor the thigh and the breast. And we're going to have a third thermometer just in the air of the top. We're going to poke it in here, and that way we can tell the temperature inside of the smoker. And our thermometer is the Tenergy. It does have spaces for 6 different thermometers. Ours are all different colors, so they are color-coded, so we can monitor the air, the different parts of the meat, and make sure we produce the best bird in the smoker. And we have our first probe in our breast meat, our second one in our thigh meat. Our third one is monitoring the internal air temperature inside of the smoker. So we can see the first, the second, and the third different temperatures. And these are obviously going to change as we cook. And we are turning on our smoker, lighting the burner. We've got the gas turned on. And that's going to cook our chips, our pellets, and our charcoal. All right, so we have to bring our internal temperature with this one up to about 250 to 270. So we're going to be watching our temperature guide. Right now, we're not showing the, there we go, 165. So we're bringing it up to 250, 275. But what we want to do is make our chips smoke. And as soon as our chips smoke, we can turn it down. And this is our beautiful box that our Tenergy comes in, so you can see we've got all different color probes.
I'll stop it. Read the anniversary version of the July, August. it.